Okay, so here we are at the beach, Rio Veradero. We got the music going. It's about, I don't know, I think it's about 11 o'clock right now. Sunday. Beautiful day, lots going on. So, over there you can see the neon catamaran. Those are awesome. Definitely go on it. It's free, included. You don't have to pay. Same with the paddle boats and also the rowboats. There we go. Rowboats, paddle boats, catamaran, all of it is free. So definitely take advantage. The beach bar is over by the catamaran where they're set up, so over there. And then this is where the entertainers usually are. Aqua aerobics going on right now. They do it every day at 11 o'clock. Beautiful day. I recommend if you want to sit in any of the front rows, you get down here at like 7, 8 a.m. or you're not going to have one of the chairs. You'll be stuck in the shade. So same with the cushions. Get here early if you want a good seat. Anyway, this is the beach. It's really nice. Awesome. Most people stay here in the day. Afternoon they go up to the pool. So if you come, I hope you have a great time.